so beautiful. Time is what makes it ugly. But time after time and through every turn in this life, I could use some stability. We fly and we fall, but we don't fall apart. Break after break, each piece of my heart. Lovers have come and lovers have gone.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to Homistics. Today I want to share my feelings and my reflections that come from the simple but also very transformative act of cleaning my home. It might seem like a mundane task to some of you, but to me it has become a sacred ritual that brings balance, peace, and opens the doors to so many new opportunities in my life. I used to hate cleaning, I honestly did, until I understood what it meant. I understood what cleaning my space does, what value it adds to our lives. Besides, I'm the type of person that also loves instant results, and cleaning my home blesses me with that gift each time I reach for my cleaning caddy. Most times it is when there is no one else around that I love to clean. No kids, no husbands, friends, or family, just me by myself. Secretly enjoying the transformation that has a beginning and an end with an instant result. Every time I finish a cleaning task, I feel a sense of accomplishment. Whether it's the kitchen or a freshly made bed, it doesn't really matter. I just love the feeling. It fills me with satisfaction and makes me feel good. It's a reminder that I can make a positive impact on my environment. I'm getting all these thoughts in my mind today because this is the last deep cleaning session planned before I travel to Sierra Leone. We lost our dad on January 31st, 2024. A smart man. He decluttered a majority of his belongings before he transitioned. He knew what he no longer needed. He passed his personal belongings on to those that he knew needed them more. Anyway, I'm flying with my beautiful, gentle, sweet, and kind mother, the person I inherited the need to do everything right from. I want to assist her in decluttering our home in Sierra Leone. So before I leave my home in Germany, this place has to be cleaned and preset for my husband and my kids in my absence. And this does two things. Number one, cleaning the dirt and dust off now means finding less dirt and dust when I get back from my trip. Number two, I believe that keeping a tidy space clean is a lot easier than keeping a messy place clean. And I want things for them to be easy, because the easier things are, the more likely it is that they're going to get it done. As I pick up the vacuum cleaner or pick up the cloth or duster, whatever it is, I am reminded of the comfort and the security that a clean home brings to me and my family. Each push of a mop, each scrub of the brush is more than just a chore. It is a special tweak in the fabric of our daily lives that brings me personally harmony and calmness. When I clean, I'm not just tidying up space. I'm cultivating an environment where love and happiness can flourish. The truth is, I feel it deeply, even if nobody else notices the change. There are those areas that no one would actually notice if they're clean or not. Areas that can go for months without being touched. Well, it is those areas that feel like the extra portion of whipped cream sitting on top of your favorite piece of cake to me when I clean them. Because when I find time to clean these areas, it means everything else is in order. It means I have so much extra time in my hands that I can bless myself with extra detail, like cleaning the light switches or freeing the skirting boards of dirt or maybe even under the sofa. The act of cleaning is a meditation, a time when I can reflect on the beauty of life and the blessings I have been given. Yes, it is a blessing. I've said it once, I've said it twice, and I'm saying it again. I am aware of that. And because of that, I honor my space. I honor my home. Walking into a warm, cozy, and organized home is like stepping into a sanctuary. The smell of freshness in the air, the way the sunlight dances across my polished floors, and the sense of everything being in its rightful place. All these things remind me of how truly blessed I am. And in those moments, I feel a profound sense of gratitude for the simple joys that life offers. Cleanliness, as they say, is close to godliness. It is in these moments of tidying and organizing that I feel a deep connection to something greater than myself. I feel good because I know that I am free to pursue the things that I love in a space that nurtures and supports me. Even the smallest tasks like dusting a shelf or straightening a cushion hold significance. They are acts of love and care, not just for my home or my family, but for myself. They are the building blocks of a life well lived, creating a foundation upon which we can all grow and thrive. So I'm thankful for the cleaning, scrubbing and mopping and polishing. They are opportunities to bring joy and comfort to the people that I love. They remind me of the beauty that surrounds us and the potential that lies within us. In a clean home, I find peace, balance, and the freedom to embrace all that life has to offer. Another wonderful thing that I get through the discipline of cleaning, I call it a discipline, is that I experience personal growth. It teaches me responsibility and time management, being consistent, and it reinforces the value of nurturing my environment. Each task, no matter how small, plays a role in my development. It makes it possible for me to claim that I am a clean and tidy person because of the actions that I take. Cleaning connects me to my space on a deeper level. It gives me the opportunity to appreciate the home I live in and the life that I'm building within it, and how it gives me freedom. The freedom from the mental clutter that disorganization brings, allowing me to go for my passions and enjoy life more fully. All in all, I am grateful. Grateful for the peace, the joy, and the opportunities that a clean home brings into my life, into our lives. I'm ready for the trip, and I'll see you guys next time. Thank you.